name's Olena LeBron, and I am the proud principal here at CJ Jorgensen. What's really cool about Jorgensen is this year we are in year 1 of our signature program, which is service learning. So our students are learning about identifying problems in the world and then researching why those problems are problems and possible solutions. Our community is a Title I community. All of our students are on free lunch. Our parents work really hard to provide the best that they can. Sometimes that means we're working multiple jobs. All of our parents want our kids to succeed. We want our kids to succeed, and we just try to create environments that will leverage all of our hopes and dreams for our students. What's really cool is that since we identified what our signature program is and we are in the process of really honing it and really owning it, we were fortunate enough to receive money to upgrade our campus to help facilitate that work. Our furniture wasn't up to date and it wasn't very flexible, and so we were able to purchase new furniture for our students that would allow them and would encourage collaboration and foster growth mindsets, and also provide our students with flexible seating. It is fantastic. It is really neat to go into classrooms and see that the furniture is lending itself to help our students have collaborative conversations, right? So we're wanting our students, we're encouraging our students to work with their classmates, work with your partner, and the furniture is setting it up so then that way it's really happening naturally. This is furniture that we have that fosters the vision and mission of the school and the district. And it was really what it came down to was, what colors do you want? How does it match your school? What do you see in your classrooms? And it was just really that easy.